Hi everyone, welcome to another Drift Cars JP video. Today I'm going to show you how to save your VQ engine for $5. Now this is what you're going to need. There's a brass fitting. This is quite a common occurrence on these VQ motors, on the V35 and also G35, G36 and V35, V36 Skylines. Same with the infinitis. Now I've seen a heap of this stuff on the internet recently where people are cooking their motor or due to a $5 part. So I'm going to show you how to replace this. What this is, on your VQ up the back here, you've got a little heater bleed off port just here. I'll just show you where it is. And it's just made of plastic. And what happens is they snap as they go brittle over time, being hot. I don't know if I can snap mine, but yeah, there you go. For the purpose of the video, there, it just snapped it, and that was it. So they go brittle like they do there, and they pop, and you'll overheat your engine because it will just dump all your coolant out, especially with the water pump running, and it'll just dump all the coolant out onto the ground. You'll get a bit of a cloud of steam pop up because what it'll do, it'll spray coolant all over your exhaust system. So what I'm going to do to show you today is how to fit this in. These are a 3/4 inch double hose barb brass coupler. That's all they are. You can buy them in alloy. I've got quite a nice alloy one sitting over here, that's to go on my V36, which I bought from ICT Billet in the States. These are about $15 because it's a nice alloy piece. So if you're a bit fussy and want something real flashy, that's what I go for. And like I said, that's what I'll be putting on my my Skyline later. But what we'll do, we'll get started, and I'll show you how to replace this. So all you really need is hose clamp tool, because these are the spring loaded clamps, or just a pair of pliers. You can probably, now that I've cracked it, because you can see how easy it is, we'll probably just use a pair of pliers, and so I'll go grab a pair now. Like I said, all you need is your pliers. Get under here, it's a bit of a pain. If you're doing this on a V36, it's going to be a lot harder to get to because of the twin throttle bodies. I might make another video when I do that on my my Skyline, but I thought we're going to do this one because we're going to start doing some drift events soon. I thought let's get this thing done before it causes us any sort of grief. These clips are a bit of a pain to get off, as per usual. Okay, that's one off. Now the hard part we're going to get, we're going to try and get the broken bit out of the hose as well, which if you just get some other pliers, probably not so much these, and we'll just crush it around it and actually break it up, and it will all just sort of come out in pieces. So you can see how brittle that's gone. And this is a 2003 model, so now we just got to make sure you get it out of the hose, not push it all the way in the hose like mine's trying to do. So we'll just sort of shake it, and you can pull the whole hose off if you want. Just come over here. So if you're worried about getting it all out, just take the hose off from here, take it off from the steel pipe, and then pull the hose off that way. We've got one. So we've got the other end out there. Now these have got a bleeder on them. It's not a big deal. If you have a bigger coolant bucket to help bleed the system, you'll never use that anyway. And a lot of the time you'll undo that and that'll just disintegrate. So that's the part we're replacing, and we're replacing it with that. So as long as you get like the same size, 3/4 inch, you're in business. So, and like I said, it doesn't matter if you bring the hoses further together, it's not going to make a big deal or anything like that. So we'll get that on. Just get your new piece. Take a little bit of persuading to get it in there. Slide in until it sits flush like that. Get our, bump the camera a few times. Get our second hose clamp. Join your food. Alright, so push your second hose on. It's a bit hard to get your hands in there, but alright, once it's popped on like that, hose clam's back on and we're finished, and we're just got to now I didn't even drain the coolant. I was about to drain the coolant, but I thought if I leant on it and it broke, that we'll just see what happened when it did break. So that's the job done there. So new piece fitted, $10. I think, well, $5. What's it cost us? $12. Yep. So that's Australian, so probably $5 US. Probably get it cheaper somewhere else too. And that's it done. Bleed your coolant system and away you go. And for the amount of coolant that come out there, you probably don't even need to really bleed your coolant system. Just top it up, go for a drive, top it up again the next morning, and we're sweet. So I thought I'd do a real quick video. Like I said, it's going to save you an overheated motor and a lot of stress for a $5 part. So yeah, get that done. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for some more updates. We've got some more stuff coming up for this car. We're pretty much trying to get a bit of the work done today. We're just doing the lower control arm bushes, the rear ones on it, and the lower ball joints, and then we're going to do the weld the diff, which I don't think will get done today, it's too hot. And yeah, so I'll see you on the next video. Cheers, thanks heaps for watching, bye.